Welcome, guys. It's our last day of our 12 days of Merry Christmas video vlogging. Thank you so much for being part of this video. Let's jump right into this video. Okay, so we will be making this hair potion that works great for the hair, and the first on our list is the fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek is known to promote hair growth and prevent hair loss by strengthening the hair follicles, and also combats dandruff and soots and itchy scalp. Okay, so when you're making this, please do not leave fenugreek seeds out. The next on our list is rosemary. This stimulates hair growth. It improves circulation to the scalp, which can help prevent hair loss, combats dandruff and other scalp conditions. It strengthens the hair follicles, making the hair thicker and healthier. So rosemary smells so good, and it is great for this potion that we are making for the hair. It's actually a hairspray, and it's going to leave your hair smelling real good. Okay, it's part of the benefits you get making this hair spray. Okay, so say no breakage with this recipe. All right, so we'll be using 1/4 cup of the fenugreek seed and the rosemary, and now we are using clove. Clove combats scalp infections and dandruff. It improves blood circulation to the scalp, promoting hair growth and preventing hair loss. Remember, we are saying bye to hair breakage. If you use this on your hair, guys, you will come back and thank me for this. This is hibiscus. Okay, hibiscus promotes hair growth by stimulating the hair follicles. It strengthens the hair, making it less prone to breakage and split ends, prevents premature graying, and nourishes the scalp, reduces dandruff, of course, and thickens the hair. It also adds shine and luster to your hair, making it appear healthier and more vibrant. Okay, so this is like the star of this hairspray. Okay, so if you want to prevent hair graying, try out this recipe. Okay, so we're going to put this into our blender just like chop it up a bit. Okay, just break it up a little bit so that when we cook this, it's going to release its potency into the water a bit more for us. Guys, if you're not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? We give you so much value on this channel. All right, so please join this little community, subscribe to our channel, watch our video, binge on them. Okay, like our content. You can share our content to your loved ones, to people that are in need of the kind of content we put out here. Okay, we'll appreciate that. Thank you so much. So we've blended this up, just just broken it up a bit more. So decided to pour it out into a plate so you see what it looks like. Okay, and yep, broken up. So we get a pot, and I put 2 cups of water into the pot, and then I put 1/4 cup of the mixed herb into this water. Okay, I'll mix it up shortly and have it on boil. Okay, this is very great for your hair. It prevents breakage, and that is why these herbs are carefully selected to do the job for your hair. Okay, if you'd like us to drop any kind of content, please let us know what kind of content you would want to see on this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching our 12 days. We will still be dropping contents for this December. Okay, but I'm glad we've done the 12 days completed. Okay, so thank you so much for being part of this journey. If you haven't watched any of our content, please go back and watch our content. We would really, really appreciate that. Okay, so I have brought this to a boil and I'll just let it simmer for just a bit more and I'll bring it down. Now note, I made this mix of herbs so that I can infuse in some oils that I would want to do. So that's why my hibiscus is really, really red. Okay, normally I would use maybe a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of hibiscus for this hair spray. Okay, but be careful when you're using it. Make sure you're not spraying it against the white wall because hibiscus can leave a blue tint on your wall. Okay, so just be extra careful with it. But does this work? Yes, it does work. Okay, try it out and leave me a feedback under this comment section. So it's cooled down and it's ready to be poured into our spray bottle. Okay, so this is easy to do and it works magic. So try this out and let me know. Thank you so much, guys, for being part of our 12 days. We couldn't have done this without you. All right, so thank you so much and stay blessed. Also, guys, you can refrigerate this, okay, because you cannot use this one time. Refrigerate it anytime you need to use it. Just put it in a bowl of warm water to just warm it up. Okay, so yeah, there you go. Thank you so much, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, The Messy Super. So I'll see you in our next video coming up next week. Thank you for watching.